Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson, and today I'm going to continue with quadratic equations, but this time around I'm going to treat gradients of a curve. So we have the first example on the board and we're about to start the question. Copy and complete the table of values for the relation y equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 for x equal to minus 2 to x equal to 4. We have the table here. We have to draw the graph of y equal to this using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm to 5 units on the y-axis. Then you said from the graph, find A, the gradient of the curve at x equal to 3, and then B, the minimum value of y and corresponding value of x. So we have to start, and then to start, we have to draw the table and then complete the ones we don't know. We are given some values here. So let's start. We have x, y. So as we can see, we don't know y when x equal to minus 1. And also, we don't know y when x is equal to 2, 3, and 4. So we start. If x equal to minus 1 comma, it means then y is equal to, you pick the value, 2, we said is 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. And that is 2 brackets minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 plus 3. And that will give me minus 2. Sorry, it's not minus 2. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So plus 1 times 2 is 2. So that will give us 2. Then this and this also will be plus 4. Then plus 3. That is minus and minus is plus. 1 times 2 is 2. This minus, we change this to plus. And that becomes plus 4, then plus 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So we have 9 here. We have 9 there. Then, what of when x equal to 2? If x equal to 2, y should now be 2 brackets 2 squared minus 4 brackets 2 plus 3. And that will give us 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. Yes, 4 times 2 is 8. This will be minus 8, because minus 4 times plus 2 is minus 8 plus 3. So 8 minus 8 is 0, and then this will give us 3. So we have put 3 here. What of when x equals to 3? If x is equal to 3, then that y is equal to 2 bracket 3 all squared minus 4 into 3 plus 3. And that will be 3 times 3 is 9 times 2, 18. 18 minus 12 minus 4 times 3 is minus 12 plus 3. That will give us 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay? And then what if x is equal to 4? And that will be y equal to 2 bracket 4 squared minus 4 times 4 plus 3. And that will give us 4 times 4 is 16 times 2, 32 minus 16 plus 3. And then 32 minus 16 is 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So we have 19 here. So those are the values. Cross-checking with what I have, we have 9, 3, 9, 19 is correct. So we have now completed the table. So that's the next thing now is for us to start plotting the graph. So I've come to the end of this portion, which is to complete the table. In my next video, I'm going to plot the graph and then show you how to answer the questions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any question, any confusion here, you put it in the comment section so that I will look at it and find solutions to it. Thank you. See you in my next video where we will now plot the graph of this.